All right, so Mr. Scottie, you got one more bolt on the starter?
Yep, and then we can pull the starter. I've got everything done up on top. And we'll be able to put this on the tester.
How'd you do the that nut that's on the stud?
Just put the wrench on it once and then put my fingers in there and undid it.
What'd you do with your fingers?
They went in places that they're very good at.
Is that unchristian-like hands, like a girl says?
Oh, yes. I definitely have unchristian-like hands.
Did you do the same motion over the weekend somehow? What's the official twink count?
5 times.
Weekend? You've got a revolving door in your room.
Yeah, I do. And I like it that way.
Dirty. Anyway. All right.
But on that note,
Dirty
ladies and gentlemen, there's our
last bolt.
last bolt, and it'll be ready to go.
And
And there's our last nut. And he wants to put some boogie in your butt. Ba-dum-bum.
No.
He's the new Barracks mascot.
Thank God that place closed.
Chains and all.
Oh, Jesus. Take one picture with chain wrapped around you one time a year ago, and it haunts you forever.
And it will haunt you forever. Especially considering I'm the one that put the chain around you.
It was pretty funny, though.
It was. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, and James, what do we say, Bobby?
We're pulling out.